very warm and exciting welcome here at Tricky OJ TV. My name is Glenn Otunga, and that is my name. Remember, this is my personal YouTube channel. Therefore, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to support the young upcoming journalists. Now, that aside, and back to business. Today, we are talking about the toughness of entering or making it in getting a job as a journalist in the country. Remember, this is one of the toughest career fields, as Tricky OJ reports that many graduates struggle to get jobs to fulfill their dreams. Tricky OJ with the story. Since the emergence of degree, diploma, and certificate courses in the country, a lot of students work very hard to get charming grades so that they get opportunities at the universities in order to pursue the courses of their dreams. But those who fail to get high grades are left to join other institutions like colleges and polytechnics. Today we look at journalism as one of the career courses in the country, which is a field that has experienced growth and great achievements since the years of the 1980s. One of the personalities who rocked and achieved great honors being Leonard Momo Botella, who served the industry for many years. Today we still experience great media personalities who focus and work hard to inform and entertain the audience, not forgetting carrying out most risky investigations. But if you were to ask those great guys like Willis Daburu of how they made it through, you will realize that it was not an easy journey, but a journey of hard nut to crack. Today many of university and colleges produce a lot of graduates in the field who are left to wander around like hungry hyenas, just looking for jobs in various organizations and companies. This meaning that journalism as a career attracted many, but not all make it to the top. Some of the graduates end up giving up because of lack of jobs in the country, which makes them to shift to other sectors like teaching and hustling. This results to a lot of disappointment to both the parents and graduates. Today, if you will tell people that you want to pursue journalism, only a few will be on the same page with you. Reason being is the great toughness in making it in the career. Some of the challenges that are highlighted in searching for the jobs are being told that your voice is not good for both radio and TV, also being advised that your face is not for television but for radio. Lastly is competing with many graduates for the job. This is among the many challenges that you who dream to be a journalist must be ready for, as this has made many students lose focus and give up or even fear the course. Many graduates struggle to get jobs as a result of small number of TV and radio stations in the country, and the discouragements too. This has led to the career journey being so tough and unfavorable to many. Even other career fields face these challenges too. With the journalism not just being one of the toughest careers in getting a job in the country, but one among the many careers, the government must come out clean and provide conducive and favorable conditions to students who come from high institutions, as this is one of the functions of the government. So the government must make sure that the job market consumes all the graduates from high institutions. Reporting for Tricky OJ TV, my name is Tricky OJ, Nairobi.